In this video, I'll show you how you can disable YouTube auto dubbing. So what YouTube auto dubbing will do once enabled is it will essentially take your voice and then dub it into different languages. So if someone views your video from somewhere else that doesn't speak your language, it will dub your voice to their language. This is what it's supposed to do. It doesn't always work, so here's how you can disable it if needed. So on your YouTube account, go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, then go to your YouTube studio. Now once you're in studio, you can go ahead and click on settings in the bottom left hand corner, and what you can essentially do here is you can turn this off for all of your new uploads, right? So you can go to upload defaults, advanced settings, then if you scroll down here you'll see automatic dubbing. If you want to turn this off for the future videos, you can uncheck this, then click save, and your future videos should now have automatic dubbing turned off. Now if you've had it turned on before, if you go to your previous videos and click on details, then go to languages, you'll be able to see that it will probably be dubbing the old videos. Now if I go ahead and click on this option to select all of the videos and then we go and try and edit, there is not an option to turn off dubbing across all of your videos. What you can do though is go onto the edit details section of a specific video, go to languages, and you can go ahead and edit and remove any dubs that may be there already.